Hi friends, good morning. Sorry, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning, and in today's video, we are just going to learn about what is the financial analysis of last week to this week. Okay, friends. Before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and here is the notification bell icon. If you hit this bell icon, what will happen? You'll never miss my updates. Okay, friends. I'll not take much of your time. Let's start the video. So friends, here you are going to see each and very clearly one thing is that retirement planning. For retirement planning, we can invest in this way also. Of course, by seeing this, you can easily understand that it is a pie graph. 50% you can invest on bonds, and 30% you can invest on short-term investments, and 20% you can invest on stocks. First of all, what do you mean by retirement planning? I just want to say a few words. Retirement planning is the process of determining retirement income goals and actions and decisions necessary to achieve those goals. So it includes how you are going to generate your income with the help of those resources. So for that retirement planning, we should plan from now itself. So that is the reason I just shown this. You can do your retirement planning not only by using this, you can do this in another way also. So I just like this one, so that is the reason I'm just showing this. It is just an example how to save your retirement planning. Okay. Hi friends, I'm just showing you here Quora. I just show you the site also. So what is this Quora? What it is given here? I'll just say a few lines about it. It is an Quora.in is an online platform for mutual fund investments in India. It is operated by Aruk Advisory Private Limited, and it has headquarters in Bangalore. Quora positions itself as a wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without fees or commissions. Okay friends, and not only this, Quora is also joined with Vested, and it is going to implement in US stocks also. So you can see here very clearly, if you want to buy any US stocks, you can buy even this US stocks from India itself. I already done a video how to buy US stocks with simple 3 easy steps. So if you want, you can just go through the video and you can purchase US stocks even from India only. So if you want to buy that, if you see here, it is joined with Vested. Diversify with US stocks powered by Vested with zero commission, starts with $10. So this is the thing is there with Quora. Okay friends, so I just want to share this information because I already done a video how you can buy US stocks. You can just go through the video. Hi friends, this is now I'm going to, I think by seeing this you can easily understand that I'm going to say a few lines about Upstocks. So here you can see the Upstocks site also. It is what are the benefits of demat and trading account, each and everything is given. So this is about your Upstocks, and this is the Upstocks site. By this you can just continue, go on like this, and if you want to open your demat account, you can go through this site. Okay, so let's see what do you Upstocks will come. RKSV, known by the brand name Upstocks, is an Indian financial services company. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, India, and holds a membership with NSE, BSE, MCX, and MCX SX. It was created by Ravikumar Raghukumar and Srinivas Vishwanath in 2009 and opened to the general public in 2011. After 2 years, they opened to the general public. So this trading company is going to be changed this name, RKSV Securities. It's changed its name into Upstocks in 2016, and it raised $25 million in the second round of institutional funding from Tiger Global Management in 2019. So this is about your Upstocks. I just want to share a few lines. What do you mean by this? Of course, there are so many broking sites in India, not only these two. Why I particularly said about these two sites? Because I'm using this. So that is the reason I just said, nothing more than that. And you can simply open a demat account by using this site. Okay, so now we'll move on to our own. So friends, you all know that who is watching Be Inspired, you all know that every Saturday I'm going to create a video on stocks, like from last week to this week. So this week also I came with that video, and here of course you are seeing here 2 pie charts. You all know that, and this pie chart is explaining that highest amount I invested in Upstocks, that is 65.9%. and the second highest amount I invested in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. This pie chart is explaining amount since invested breakdown by mobile app. So these are the two mobile apps, Kuvera and Upstocks. That is the reason I just said a few lines about Kuvera and I show the site of Kuvera also, and because of the same reason I shown for even the Upstocks also. Now coming to this pie chart. This pie chart is saying about amount since invested breakdown by investor vehicle. So my investor vehicles, mutual funds, stocks and ETF. So this is explaining that the highest amount I invested in ETF, that is 62.7%, and second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, that is 34.1%, and least amount I invested in stocks, that is 3.3%. That's what this pie chart is explaining here. Okay friends, now I'll move on to the next. So by seeing this, you can easily understand that this too belongs to bar graphs. And coming to this bar graph is saying that percentage of profit since invested breakdown by mobile app. So you already know that my mobile apps are Kuvera and Upstocks, and if you see the bar graph, it is you can see it very clearly that I got highest profit in Upstocks, that is 39.94%, approximately 40%, and the second highest profit I got in Kuvera, that is 31.68%, approximately 32%. That is what this bar graph is explaining here. And coming to the next bar graph, what is this bar graph is saying? Percentage of profit since invested breakdown by invested vehicle. So this both are saying about that, and this is saying in this, by saying this bar graph, we can easily understand that the highest profit I got in ETF, that is 40.54%, second highest profit I got in mutual funds, that is 31.68%, and the least profit I got in stocks, that is 28.36%. That's what these two bar graphs are explaining here. So you can see the title and you can get it very easily. This graph is saying only percentage of profit from my investment to till November 7th. Okay friends, now we'll move on to the next. So these two are also here. Now also you are seeing only two bar graphs. Again you'll get it out that what is this, also percentage of profit is there, here also percentage of profit is there, but a small change is there in these two bar graphs. The change is percentage of profit since last week. This bar graph is saying percentage of profit since my investment. So that is a very small change here. So from last week to this week, of course you all know that last week is October 31st to November 7th. So what is the percentage of profit I got by mobile app? So by seeing this, we can easily understand that I got highest profit in Upstocks, that is 8.12%, and I got second highest profit in Kuvera, that is 4.37%. A very good profit this time when compared to last week to this week. If you remember, last week we are in loss, but this week we got a profit, very good profit, that was a drastic profit we got. Maybe elections, US elections is also one reason to get this drastic profit. And coming to this second bar graph, percentage of profit since last week breakdown by invested vehicle. So by seeing this, you can easily understand that the highest profit I got in ETF is 8.23%, and here second highest profit I got in stocks, that is 6.02%, and I got third highest profit, nothing but least profit only, that is mutual funds, 4.37%. That's what these two bar graphs are explaining here. Now we'll just go on for comparison of the first pie chart and the second bar graph. Now friends, if you observe here, both are, this is amount invested and this is percentage of profit. So how can we compare these two things? Is nothing but in what way I invested, did I got the same profit or not? If we'll check, then we'll get the answer. Okay, so of course here I invested highest amount in Upstocks. Of course I got here highest profit in Upstocks, that is 39.94%, and I got second highest investment is in Kuvera, that is 34.1%, and here also I got second highest profit in Kuvera, that is 31.68%. Okay friends, so my investment is in correct procedure. Now we move on to, this is by mobile app. Now we check, now we are going to check about invested vehicles. So highest amount I invested in ETF, and here also I got highest profit in ETF only, that is 40.54%, and second highest amount I invested in mutual funds. Here also I got second highest profit in mutual funds. The least amount I invested in stocks. Here also I got least profit in stocks, that is 28.36%. It is not a very less amount, it is very good amount. Okay, so now when compared to last week to this week, we got very good profit, and that too the highest profit I earned in ETF. So we'll see how the ETFs are there like this. So I have two ETFs, that is Nifty V's and ZF Nifty Bank. So when compared to last week to this week, it is showing 9,700 rupees profit Nifty V's and 20,748 rupees, a very big amount of profit I got in ZF Nifty Bank. That is 20,748 rupees and 12.2% from last week to this week. So that is the reason, because of this a very huge profit I got in ZF Nifty Bank because of that reason. And that too, the bank sector is very good and stock market also is very nice in this week. So because of that, bank sector was very good and bank sector got a very nice amount of shares, and that is the reason I also got a good amount of profit from last week to this week. So when compared to this, I got 8.23% from last week to this week, percentage of profit from last week, that is nothing but October 31st to November 7th. So friends, in this way I just want to share my knowledge. I just shared it according to my knowledge. I just share like this. I hope this video is going to be useful for you. I didn't mean that you have to use only these two apps. I just said I have this and what are the benefits also I said. There are so many broking sites, you can go through even that, but please try to arrange your retirement after retirement. No need to worry about the income. Then now itself, from now itself, just try to keep your income in a safe manner.